Cardano ADA price prediction after smart contracts. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. This information is provided solely for educational reasons and is not intended to be taken as investment advice. Please bear in mind that you should always perform your own research before making any decisions. We don't recommend investing money you can't afford to lose. Will the Cardano ADA coin be worth $20 or $100 in the future? Everything is technically possible, and at least one Cardano price prediction suggests that $100 will be the coin's lowest price in the next 5 years, rather than the impossible maximum. However, the expensive ADA is extremely unlikely to ever reach that level. Cardano may have surpassed Bitcoin in terms of the market value if its price reached $20 and everything else remained the same. Even the most bullish Cardano price forecaster could not have predicted this. Either the entire market must see an unparalleled stratospheric surge, or the coin must be officially recognized as a currency by a powerful nation, such as the United States or China, to reach such high levels. Let's start with a review of Cardano's recent price history. In early 2021, the currency climbed from 13 cents to an, at the time, maximum price of $1.30 in just 2 months, following the broader favorable crypto market trend. The coin has never traded for less than 90 cents since then, and the announcement of the Alonzo smart contracts execution in mid-May 2021 increased the price by 15%. ADA, on the other hand, fell along with the rest of the market, falling to levels seen in February and March. After July 21st, Cardano's price began to rise, finally reaching an all-time high of $3.10 half a month later. Smart contracts are now supported on the Cardano network. The Cardano community had a busy year in 2021, which culminated in the Cardano Summit in September. The ADA token's value has continuously increased throughout the year, peaking at $3.09 on September 2, 2021. Let's start with a Cardano definition. Let's have a look at the Cardano platform before we get started with new Cardano projects. Visit CoinMarketCap's Cardano Deep Dive for a more in-depth look at the cryptocurrency. Cardano's goal is to create a network that can solve the problems of scalability and interoperability that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other first and second generation cryptos have. Please consider liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting in the box below.